In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed the brakes in a Subaru Forester. Wipe the cap, take the cap off, get something to siphon out the fluid. We use this turkey baster looking thing. You're going to take out your filter, place it on your rag, make sure you don't get brake fluid anywhere, it will take the paint off. You're going to place your hose down in there and siphon out the fluid. I have a drip pan ready. I'm going to go back in one more time just to make sure I got it all. Inspect your Massa cylinder, make sure the fluid is gone. Mine's good. I'm going to put my filter back in. Put the cap back on. And place my drip pan away from the job. We're going to look for max line. You're going to fill up your Massa cylinder with the recommended brake fluid. This one is .3, synthetic. After you do that, you're going to head to your first wheel to start the brake bleed procedure. All right, we're at our first wheel, the right rear. We're going to then go to our left rear. Then we're going to go to our right front and then our left front. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is take off this rubber boot. Don't lose it. You're going to put it back on when we're done. This is going to catch my brake fluid for me when I'm bleeding the brakes. Make sure you have a friend or somebody in the car to pump the brakes up for you. You can either use this or a drip pan. It does get really messy with a drip pan, so I do recommend getting a hose of some sort and placing it on the bleeder like that. After you place that on, you're going to ask your friend to pump the brake pedal up. So go ahead, pump it up. Holding. And then you're going to release. Floor. I'm going to close it. And I'm going to ask my friend to pump it up again. Okay. It's on the floor. Close it back up. Pump it up. Holding. Open it up. Floor. Okay, I'm going to close it. And now we're going to move on to our next wheel, which is the other side in the rear. All right, now that we've done the back wheels, we're going to come up and check our master to make sure there's enough fluid in there. I'm going to fill it up to max. Put our cap back on and continue our bleed procedure over on the passenger side front. All right, so we're going to take our rubber boot off over here. All right, pump it up. Holding. Floor. Closing. Pump it up, please. Open to the floor. Closing. Pump it up. Open to the floor. All right. Close that down. And now we're going to go to our number 4 wheel, driver's side front. Make sure you put your rubber boot back on your bleeder. All right, so now we're checking our Massa cylinder, making sure it's full to the max. I'm gonna put our cap back on. Clean any mess and pump your brake pedal to make sure it's firm. If it's not, then bleed the entire system again. Torque your wheels to manufacturer's spec, which for this vehicle is 89 foot-pounds. Once you're done that, take your vehicle for a road test. Take a deep breath, because this job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.